My name is Juan, and this is Network Architecture and Protocols, Assignment 2, Part 2. In this video, I'm going to be installing contiki operating system for Internet of Things, and we are also going to look at the labs that we had during the semester in this subject. So now we're going to proceed to install contiki, which we got from this website, source forge. So contiki operating system, click on download, and it will start downloaded after some seconds. Just have to wait. Already did it, so I'm going to open the VMware. So this is the file where we downloaded contiki. This is the one we're gonna use to install. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. Click on Instant Contiki Ubuntu VMX, and the VMware is gonna open on its own. Click OK. It's gonna start installing, and password is user. Oops. And here we are. Have to open the terminal. Okay. Great. So this is the Contiki Network Simulator. Now I'm going to open a new simulation. I'm gonna use my name. One. New simulation. Okay. This is we're gonna see on the simulation and riot graphic sessions. Okay, so now we're going to create a border router. Add a mode, sky mode. Compile. and then we click on create, and we're going to have more modes, say 8 of them. There'll be the sensing modes, sensing nodes and okay. Now we click on start. This will be like the Wireshark, so you can see all the network traffic, and here we see how it is interacting with each other, how all the nodes are talking to each other. This is the web traffic, and now we can pause the simulation. Okay, now we're going to use the Cisco UCSP emulator that we already installed and work on it during the class. Here are some of the screenshots of my work in class. Login, we use UCSP. Click on show just to see. Okay, that's the first one is the IP address I'm gonna use to open the web interface. That's what we're gonna be working on for the emulator. Yep. Okay, so according to this, the UCSP is up and running. We just have to access the web interface. Now we're going to move into the next lab. So I will have to reboot the computer to use the web interface because it happens a lot. You have to restart your laptop in order to access the web interface. It happened to me at the beginning of the semester, but it just works that way. So I'm not gonna do it this time. I'm just gonna access the labs on the edu lab. Okay, so now we got free PBX. We already did this one, and the Cisco UCSPE, which is the same one we were trying to access through the web browser. Now we just click on enter lab, and the Cisco UCS platform emulator. Open BVM. It says it's gonna load in 60 seconds. So what we're going to see is pretty much the same as this one. So this one is the web browser. and we're going to have something similar. That's what I did at the beginning of the semester, and we can emulate servers and deploy all of them. So yeah, let me okay, now we are in informations. Yeah, no, wait, okay. Yeah, so here we create policies. Um, this quality of service policies, for example, for audio, video streaming. Um, this one is for network traffic. Here we can deploy servers. Yes, here's where we configure the servers. So this is pretty much the same I was doing on the VMware, um, but the web browser is provided within the website of the UC of the EduLabs. So it's pretty much the same work, the same UCS Cisco Manager where you can emulate the services and deploy servers. So that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. And this was Network Architecture and Protocols Part 2, Assignment 2, 2020.